Hey, good morning, people. So, I just woke up. It's the 11th of May, and I'm gonna cut my hair.
I live inside my own world of make believe.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, it's the 17th of the May. Yes, I'm lazy. I forgot to record the video. There's not much to it when you say about how to cut your own hair. So, let's try to finish this video under 2 minutes. So, here are the things that you will need to cut your own hair. You need a trimmer, you'll need hair clips, and you'll need the attachments which comes with the trimmer, and you'll need scissors. So the first step is to wet your hair. So the first thing we do is we cut all the hairs which are on the side and on the back. Then we come to the front. So we take the attachment which has the highest amount of hair length on it and then start trimming. Before that, make sure what we are working with over here. So after trimming both the sides, it will look something like this. Once that's done, you can do the same thing with the back, and then after that you can take your smallest adjustment and then trim all the way around. And then once you have done that, you can slowly use lesser adjustments and make that fade come in, so that fade looks like this. Once that's done, you can start with the top and take your comb and work your way around and through it. Make sure you cut how much ever the required amount is. For me, I cut 2 inches because my hair was too long. And then once everything is done, once you wash your hair and once you give all the finishing touches, your hair should finally look like this. This was also my first try. This is not rocket science, guys. If I can do it, you can do it too. And yes, it's been very long. I have uploaded a video, so this was a short video. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Share this video because more people want these kinds of videos, and it's lockdown in Karnataka, so people would want to cut their own hair. And comment on this video what was your favorite part, and comment on my haircut. Rate this out of 10. See you in the next one. Until then, stay hungry and stay foolish. Bye bye.
Two-faced killer, go gorilla for the bag. That boy be a pussy, kill the vibe, he a drag. Autobiography gon' look like a brag. Let's get to the money, I'm on PT dirty ass. Made these